Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best pipe extractor sets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Pipe Extractor Set. If you're a plumber, mechanic, or DIY enthusiast who regularly tackles damaged threaded pipes, the 9-piece heavy-duty steel pipe extractor set is your ideal solution. This extensive kit removes damaged threaded pipes and fittings ranging from 1/8 to 1, making it versatile for most projects. You'll appreciate the clearly marked extractor sizes and drill requirements, which eliminate guesswork during repairs. The set's high-grade steel construction withstands demanding applications, ensuring long-lasting reliability. Compatible with both Schedule 40 and Schedule 80 pipes, it delivers smooth, frustration-free repairs. 3 longer bits accommodate tight spaces effectively. The sturdy storage case keeps all pieces organized and portable, so you're always prepared for your next job. Moving on at number 4, we have the RIDGID Model 883. The RIDGID Model 883 is your ideal solution when you're dealing with broken threaded pipe plugs, ends, or fittings stuck inside pipes or fittings. This 6-piece set includes extractors sized for 1/8, 1/4, 3/8, 1/2, 3/4, and 1-inch pipes. Each extractor features 2 tabs that grip and back out broken pieces effectively. You'll appreciate the clearly marked drill sizes, which eliminate guesswork during setup. The durable steel construction handles tough jobs, and you can turn extractors by hand or with a wrench for added leverage. RIDGID backs the set with a lifetime warranty against defects, giving you confidence in your investment. At number 3, we have the Coobeast Pipe Extractor Set. You'll find the heavy-duty 9-piece pipe extractor set indispensable whenever you're tackling damaged or stubborn threaded pipes that won't budge with conventional tools. This comprehensive detailed set covers sizes from 1/8 to 1, addressing virtually every standard pipe dimension you'll encounter. The raised thread design grips even the most stubborn pipes, while heavy-duty hardened steel construction withstands demanding applications. Laser-etched size markings guarantee quick identification, and the industrial blow-molded storage case with secure clasps keeps everything organized and prevents loss. Whether you're handling household repairs, industrial maintenance, or renovation projects, this versatile set delivers professional results and makes an excellent gift for DIY enthusiasts and mechanics alike. At number 2, we have the heavy-duty pipe extractor set. Professionals and serious DIYers tackling stubborn broken pipes will find the 9-piece heavy-duty pipe extractor set indispensable. You'll appreciate the premium-grade steel construction that withstands demanding extraction jobs on Schedule 40 and 80 pipes. The set covers 1/8 to 1 national standard pipes with 3 longer bits specifically designed for reaching tight spaces. Easy-to-read size markings on both extractors and the rugged storage case eliminate confusion during repairs. Whether you're handling routine plumbing maintenance or complex pipe removal, this versatile kit delivers professional results. The compact case keeps everything organized and portable, making it an essential addition to any serious plumber's toolkit. And finally, at number 1, we have the Pipe Extractor Set Heavy-Duty 6-piece. Anyone tackling plumbing repairs in confined spaces, whether you're working under a sink, behind a water heater, or in a cramped engine bay, will appreciate this 6-piece heavy-duty set's compact yet extensive design. You'll find extractors covering sizes from 1/8 to 1, making it suitable for standard 40/80 pipes in household and industrial applications. The hardened steel construction features raised thread designs that grip stubborn, broken, or corroded pipes effortlessly. Laser-etched size markings on each tool and the locking storage case keep everything organized. With its anti-slip grip and portable design, You're equipped to handle emergency repairs efficiently without fumbling through disorganized toolboxes. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.